Students, coming to the second chapter, magnetic effects of electric current. See these basic points. Magnets were made from naturally available material called lodestone, which is the ore of iron known as magnetite. In olden days, so Greece country, I think, some shepherds are there. So goats वगैरह, so they went to mountains. They are using some iron chappal, something shoe type. So after return back to the home, so they observed something is attached to this their shoes. So they are observing what is this? It is attaching to our iron shoes. So later on they find it. They named it as magnetite. So which is the ore of iron. So it has the properties of attracting iron pieces. So that is why it is called magnetite. Uske baad magnet name came. So this is the story actually. So magnetite is the ore of iron. So this is the naturally available magnet. We can prepare the magnets artificially also. This is naturally, artificially also. So if you see in our lab also we can see this thing. This is called magnet. So this is called magnet. Length is thoda chota hai na, so short magnet. Lamba hota hai na, bar magnet. Okay. So now what are these properties you can see. I told you magnets will attract the substances like iron, cobalt, nickel, etc. like this. So they have the attractive property like this. And now coming to this thing, some properties I am explaining. Take this magnet, इस बीच में ना एक thread you can attach it and suspend this magnet in air freely. If the magnet is suspended freely in air, this magnet will comes to rest in the north-south direction of earth only. It is showing only north-south direction. So it is called directional property. Always it is showing directional property, north-south direction of earth. Hence we can say this thing. The end which is showing geographical north. Geographical means earth north pole. So the magnet end which is showing geographical north, it is called magnetic north pole. The end of the magnet which is in the direction of geographical south, this end is called south pole. So this end is behaving like north pole, this end is behaving like south pole. So finally every magnet has two poles. One is called north pole, another one is called south pole. Remember this thing. North pole and south pole. Okay. Next. These magnets can be used olden days so navigator something while they are moving from one place to another place, so they know the direction, they want to know the directions in the sea, so they use these magnets as compass. So this is called magnetic compass. I think in keychains also we can see this type of thing, north south directions are there. It is called magnetic compass. Check it. It is called magnetic compass. आराम से देख लीजिए. So north to south to east to west directions are there. Check it. So this arrow mark black color arrow mark, it is magnetic magnet. It is always showing north south direction only. Check it. Okay. Next, see here. If I will take this iron pieces, some iron pieces, and I am sprinkle around this thing iron pieces I am sprinkle around this thing. But iron pieces will attach more at the end only compared to the middle of the magnet. Iron pieces will attach at the ends only compared to the middle. So the attractive power of magnet is located at the ends. Jada hai na, attractive power is more at the ends. So these ends where the magnetic attraction is more, these ends are called poles, magnetic poles. As I told you already, every magnet has two poles. One is called north pole, another one is called south pole. And this north pole, here they are not writing NS. You can check it. They are not writing NS. So how we can find out which is N, which is S? This dark mark indicates north. This one indicates a south pole. Remember. So what is meant by magnetic pole? The attractive power or repulsive power of the magnet is more at the ends. So the space where the attractive or repulsive power is more, that region is called pole. Every magnet has two poles, north pole and south pole. Remember. So magnets may be always not only in this direction, magnets may be in different shapes also. This is bar magnet, and in the notebook I told you this is a horseshoe magnet, U-shaped magnet is also there. This type of thing. Okay, now coming to this next important concept, magnetic field lines. What are the magnetic field lines? Check it carefully. What are magnetic field lines? See, this is the magnet. Around this magnet, its attractive power is there. If somebody is entering into its region, so automatically what is happening? If somebody is entering its region, this magnet will attract them or repel them. So this region is called magnetic field, like electric field. What is meant by magnetic field? The space around the magnet up to which its effect is there. Effect means, I told you, attractive or repulsive effect is there. Just like I told you, if it is principal sir, his effect is up to the school. So school is his field. If you are there, so your field is your house only. If I am there, my field is the classroom only. Like this magnet is there, its attractive power or repulsive power is extended up to certain region around it. That space is called magnetic field. So if magnet is strong, magnetic field is also strong. If magnet is weak, magnetic field is also weak. Remember this thing. Now in this magnetic field, if I will kept unit north pole like this, only north pole I kept like this. देखो north pole repel होता है ना. So this north pole will move in one direction. Again this north pole is repelling this thing, north pole like this. So this magnetic north pole repelling the unit north pole, force is acting on this north pole by the magnet. Automatically this north pole will move in one direction. See the imaginary path, this north pole is moving like this na. The imaginary path along which unit north pole is moving in the magnetic field. This imaginary path along which unit north pole is moving in the magnetic field. This imaginary path is known as magnetic field lines or magnetic lines of force. What is the name here? Magnetic lines of force. Magnetic lines of force. Very easily you can remember this name. Magnet effect is there. Along some line, this north pole is moving by the application of force by the magnet. Magnet applying some force, then north pole is moving along a straight line. So that imaginary path is known as magnetic line of force or magnetic field lines. Anything you can write. Now how to draw these magnetic field lines? So very one small question is there in the textbook also. How to draw the magnetic lines of force? Check it carefully. I will try to explain this magnetic lines of force, how to draw. You can kept it again. See, keep the compass here. So arrow mark is showing here. So put the head is there na. So dot mark laga do idhar. So tail must coincide here like this. So again put tail must coincide here. Again you can 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 put the arrow mark like this. So you can keep the arrow marks like this, and not only this side and this side also you can make like this. See this point carefully. So arrow mark is showing here, I am keeping the point like this. Again tail is coming here, I am keeping like this. Again tail is coming here, I am keeping like this. Again tail is coming here, I am keeping like this. Again tail is coming here, I am keeping like this. So like this you can move this compass. So ज़्यादा से like this also you can make like this. See this point carefully. Very near also, very far also you can make the lines. You can mark the compass direction like this. You can mark the compass direction like this. So mark the points like this. Now join all these points with a smooth curve. Join all these points with a smooth curve like this. Join all these points with a smooth curve like this. Here also join all these points with a smooth curve. Like this you can join all these points like this. So see this diagram. So here it is called, I told you, north pole. Already I told you this is north pole. If you check it, north pole. And this is called south pole. And if you see the diagram here, magnetic lines of force starts from North Pole. Arrow mark is showing na, magnetic lines of force starts from North Pole. See this sentence. And they are moving towards the South Pole. Magnetic lines of force starts from north, ends towards south. Remember this thing. So this is the way you have to draw the magnetic lines of force. How to draw the magnetic lines of force. So read the sentences carefully and you will get some lines. These lines are called magnetic lines of force. Okay. Sir, again फिर से I am keeping the magnet here. So here कुछ नहीं आता है. Just keep the magnetic compass like this. Keep the magnetic compass. See the arrow mark. Now you will understand. Now you will understand whether I am saying correct or not. Arrow mark देखो. Arrow mark is showing North Pole only na. That means arrow mark is showing North Pole means they will start from North Pole. So here I will kept this arrow mark like this point. Here also I am keeping like this. Here also I am keeping like this. This is the point. Okay na. Here also you can keep like this. Here also you can keep like this. Here also you can keep like this. So you can use this lines of force not only around this thing, near the poles also you can make like this. You can make like this. So join these points, you will get the lines of force like this also. Not only North Pole, at South Pole also. Check it now, you will understand. So arrow mark is showing like this. So move this thing, you will understand like this. Here also you can move it, like this you can move it. So here also you will get, just I am changing the direction. If you check it, you will understand very easily. Are you able to see the video? See the arrow mark. So see, these are the points I am making like this. So these are the lines of force you are drawing around the magnet like this. Check it carefully. So these are the lines of force. Okay. Now see this, it is there in the textbook also, diagram is there in the textbook also. If you are not able to understand, just tell me. Now coming to the properties. Properties of magnetic lines of force. Properties of magnetic lines of force. Everyone has to study these properties, very very important. So from this diagram some points you can understand. First thing, magnetic lines of force are imaginary lines. देखो, physically it is not existing. If magnet I kept here, automatically lines you are not able to see. If magnet is keeping here, automatically lines of force are not forming. I am drawing. That is why magnetic lines of force are imaginary lines. Remember, magnetic lines of force are imaginary lines. Coming to the second one, magnetic field lines are closed curves and directed from North Pole to South Pole outside the magnet and South Pole to North Pole inside the magnet. Check it carefully. Again I am going this diagram. Magnetic lines of force starts from N to S outside. सब लोग देखो, N to S outside. After that again they are coming S to N inside. N to S outside. After that again they are coming inside S to N. Here again N to S outside, S to N inside. Again N to S outside, S to N inside like this. These are very very important points. Outside and inside दोनों possible है. Okay ना? That is why magnetic lines of force are said to be closed curves. Magnetic lines of force are, first one is imaginary lines. Second thing, outside they are moving from North Pole to South Pole. Inside they are moving from South Pole to North Pole like this. Magnetic lines of force are closed curves. Remember, closed curves. Next, if magnetic lines of force are crowded, then magnetic field is strong. If lines of force are more in number, so that field is strong. If magnetic lines of force are less, so that magnetic field is weak. Next, in case of uniform magnetic field, magnetic lines of force are parallel and equidistant. This is very very important. The tangent drawn to the line of force at any point gives the direction of magnetic lines of force. Next, last one, very very important one. Magnetic lines of force never intersect each other. Very very important. Magnetic lines of force never intersect each other. If they will intersect, at the point of intersection, magnetic field has two directions, which is impossible. So lines of force cannot intersect. What is the sixth point? Check it, I am explaining. Point number 6 I am explaining. So this is one of the line of force, this is another line of force. If these two will intersect each other, so at the point of intersection, magnetic field has two directions. Draw the tangent here, draw the tangent here. Magnetic field has two directions here. B means magnetic field, you will understand after some time. Two directions are not possible. Magnetic field B, it is having only one direction, south pole to north pole. So magnetic field has only one direction, but here two directions are possible by the intersection. So two directions are not possible means there is no intersection. So magnetic lines of force never intersect each other. So very very important point to keep in mind. Okay. We will see the next concept in the next class.